Ugogo nomkhulu saluka sendodana ugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha. Day 2, we're talking relationships. Relationships. It's a topic that we are praying for today because most of the time when things are bad, there's so much contribution that comes with that we find in relationships. So on this day 2, we are going down on our knees and in invoking our ancestors, in saying to our ancestors, help us to choose the right, or rather the relevant relationships. Where there's a friendship, it's been colleagues, it's been dating, whatever kind of a relationship, it does contribute to a negative when it comes to financial breakthrough. So today we are saying we want to attract people that will help us to achieve the financial breakthrough. We don't want people that are going to waste our time. We don't want people that are going to become caterpillars in our lives. We don't want imbungulu in our lives. We want abantu that will assist us to go further in life. There are people that we are dating, and because of you are dating that person, your life is stagnant. Because of you are seeing that person, your life is not going anywhere. You are actually losing the right people because of that particular person. The reason that other things are not going right is because you hang around with the wrong people. There's someone out there who wants to do good to you, who wants to offer you the opportunity, who wants to give you that tender, who wants to give you a job, who wants to borrow you that money, who wants to assist you to build that business. But because of you are hanging around with these negative people, listen to this. We are not talking about a person that feels your enemies or their enemies, they're supposed to be your enemies. We are talking about the person who is you call a friend, but you know deep down now you know this is not the right person. This is a person onga contribute anything that is positive, not only to you, but in general. Uyaziwa ukuthi he's not a good person. But because of you are keeping that individual, you are closing out other relationships that are going to take your life to the next level. So as we are going down on our knees, we are saying to our ancestors, please assist us. Excuse me. We are saying to our ancestors, please assist us. Please assist us to be able to choose the good friendships, good relationships, good love relationships, whatever relationship you have, whether you are singing a choir, whether you are a musician in general, whether you are in a community leader, whatever it means, whatever relationship, you'll hear a question, Atumuntu, what is your relationship with Usbanba? No, we are business partners. No, but we mustn't allow our brain to think which a relationship is only about a person that you are dating. No. However, sometimes, let's be positive. Sometimes your partner is seen as a person that is pulling you down. Like you feel, man, my partner is not contributing into my life positively. Sometimes your partner doesn't have a strength. Sometimes the person you have a relationship with doesn't have a strength to go down on their knees to show what you care about them. You can also pray for them. Yes, you can also go down on your knees to pray for a financial breakthrough, relationships to assist you, and not only you, but to also assist your friend, to also assist your brother, to also assist your lover, to also assist your colleague, to also assist your teammate, because you are together in this. Remember, we are not praying for something that is negative. What we are doing is siphahlela ukuthi umvenqangi noma idlozi lethu elisithandayo elisifisela okuhle empilweni, ukuthi leli dlozi leli malisibuka alingasibuki njena njengabantu abalukhuni, abantu aba-selfish, kodwa leli dlozi alisibuke lithi, awu, uyakwazi nokukhulekela noma nokuphahlela ubambo lwakhe, uyakwazi ukuphahlela indoda yakhe, uyakwazi ukuphahlela i-boyfriend yakhe, uyakwazi ukuphahlela labasebenza nabo. We need to learn to pray for others. We need to learn ukuphahla for others. It's called humanity. It's being human. It's being human. Why I'm saying that it's very important. Again, sometimes others, they don't have a clue what to do. Others, they are not ready to receive the message that you are receiving, the message that it's uplifting you, the message that is a breakthrough to you, the message that is a financial breakthrough to you. Abanye, they are not there as yet. We need to assist them to be there as yet. You will never pray the same way at church with somebody who has been in a congregation for more than 5 years, 10 years, whatever. Never. You will never understand a Bible like a person that understands, these are the scriptures that we read on funerals. These are wedding scriptures. These are motivational scriptures. These are scriptures that show me. So, even spiritually, we cannot all be ready. Instead of you, hey, Coco, I don't know what's wrong with my husband. My husband doesn't want to do this. Oh, my wife, Coco, yeah. My wife is a Christian. My wife wants nothing to do with these things of spirituality. What? Go down on your knees and represent her. Go down on your knees and represent her. Trust me, you'll see the results. Trust me, you will see what is going to happen. So, on the 23rd, we're talking relationships. Mina, I always want to see good in others. I always do things that are surprising, making other person feel special, because that's how I would like people to make me to feel special. So I do that. I always raise my hand inside my soul to say, I'm going to do good to this person first. I always want to come first. But those that comes first, I show them gratitude. I show them what I appreciate what they are doing for me. That's why I have never, and I will never stop saying, can I please have? Thank you. I am sorry. I forgot. Those are the things that makes relationships, that builds relationships, because you don't have egos, you don't have pride. Another thing that we need to pray for, how are you contributing to the relationships that you are in? Are you a good person in the relationship that you're doing? In a relationship that you are in, are you a right person? Are you correct in everything? It can be. We cannot be perfect. Let's do a self-introspection in saying, how negative am I? Or what is it that is not right that I'm doing in this relationship? Whether it's work, as I've mentioned, whether it's love, whether it's a team, where it doesn't matter what is it. You need to ask yourself, how do I contribute mina? How much role do I play in making this relationship to work? Am I doing justice into this relationship to work? Am I the person? Am I a right person to this person? There are people, Mina, as I'm growing up, still, as you know, on the 29th of November, I'm turning 21. As I grow, I always say to myself, ask myself, ukuthi, am I uplifting or holding this person? There are people that comes to me with ideas. I'll jump. I used to jump for ideas. It's a good idea. Let's do it and everything. Until I've learned, ukuthi, I'm denting the relationships that are starting. So now what I do, I become honest. No, I can't do it. It's a good idea. I can't be part of it. I'm sorry. I won't have time for it. I will state my reasons as they are. I won't ignore the call and say, this is a proposal from this person and I'm not interested on it. I won't do that. But it was a process. I started by ignoring calls. I started by just saying to myself, no, I'm not interested. But you need to tell that person that is trying to form this relationship that they want to form. So, day 2, relationships. What kind of a relationship are you in? Whatever relationship. How healthy it is. How much value does it add into your life? Are you happy with it? Are you expressing your gratitude to that person that you are in that relationship with? Are you not happy on at all? Do they know what you are not happy about this relationship? You'll hear people say, umdala, he's an old man. I can't teach him how to love me. He's an old man. He needs to make up. Umdala. We came here with our bags to work. If he doesn't see that he's doing something wrong, uzozibonela. No, it's fine. Let him lose the job, because I'm not going to tell the old man or the old woman what to do. No. I came here to school alone, and if they don't want to perform, it's fine. While you are given a task together, while you are in that relationship, it's up to you. It's up to you guys. Today, tonight, this midnight, we are saying our ancestors must give us the wisdom. Sometimes you are in a very good relationship, but there's no wisdom in you. There's no wisdom. You've never asked for wisdom to see what is positive about this particular relationship. There's no wisdom whatsoever. You are skating on the ice cream because there's no wisdom that you ask your ancestors to give you for this particular relationship that you are in. That's why we've got so much rate of divorces. That's why we have so much separations. That was we have so much kids that don't have both parents in their lives. It's because when we get into a relationship, we never ask for wisdom into be that in that relationship. Siyangena nje ukuhlakana sicelanga ukuthi ngizobona ngani ukuthi lobo budlelwane lobo buyiyona yona. You'll hear people at ngizobona ngendlela. I'll see on the way. Ayikho le. Yabona le uzobona ngendlela ayikho. Trust me, ayikho. Akho kubona ngendlela. No. He must think. You know very well ukuthi you want a marriage in this relationship, but you keep on saying, no. Yo, Coco, imagine telling a man that, Mina, I want to be married and everything. But is that what you want? Isn't it? That's what you want. So why to keep it into yourself and keep on lying to say, hayi mina umshado uzongishada nje ngoba ufuna. Hayi but mina nginandaba ngizobona umshado mawufika if uyafika. You are lying to yourself. And you are building that to a man to say you are not a wife material. No. I'm scared of committing coke. I don't want to do problems. What? Are you going to be scared until when? Are you going to be scared until when? No. I'm not going to humble myself into my boss and everything. I'm doing my work. Now I'm working. There's no one who's doing a favor and everything. They can hire somebody else. Today, on a financial breakthrough, we're talking relationships. Let's filter our relationships. Keep people in your life that only quality people material in your life. The rest, they must fall off. You don't need every junk that you have in your life. It's Gamina Gawena. If the person cannot go out of their way to impress you, why do you keep them? Why are you in their relationship if you don't want to impress them? You only want to be impressed. Then leave them. You don't deserve to be there. Let's do it. 7 days. Thokozani.